This is a 200W jewelry spot welder. It is mainly used for spot welding and repair of jewelry. Let's turn it on and see how it works. Behind the machine, there are power supply wiring, machine bus switch, water inlet, drainage and foot switch signal port. We turn on the main power switch of the machine and electrify it. We need to prepare a bucket of pure water. Put one end of the pipe into the bucket, insert the other end into the machine inlet, and then press the button. The machine will pump water automatically until it stops sucking water automatically. When the water is ready, we can activate the power button. After starting the switch button, turn on the xenon lamp button. Preheat the machine for about 3 分钟 use, and wait for the start welding button to turn on.
待焊启动中嘛，等一下它变绿嘛，是吧？你按它。好，你点，你点。
When we press the foot switch, we can shine the welding.
好，我们开始啊。
Then we can set different parameters according to the needs of the welding products. In the upper left corner of the video, a reference chart of parameters is attached for your reference. At the same time, if necessary, we can also set the internal parameters of the machine. Generally speaking, the internal parameters don't need me to change. We just need to set the parameters I attached in front according to the material of the product. Step on the foot switch can be normal light welding work. We can open the welding hatch door on the side and put the products to be welded into it. We can also adjust the lighting and the welding blowing angle. Sit in front of the machine and look through the observation window at the welding bay. Set parameters according to product welding requirements to ensure the best welding results. In pause mode, the machine lights up every time we press the pedal switch. The video on the top right shows spot welding of jewelry. We are welding a hardware product. For some products, we can set the welding mode to continuous welding, which is faster and more efficient. This is the hardware we just tried to weld. When we finish using the machine, we remember to turn it off.
它现在已经没光了。再关是吧？
对，打起来，然后就把总电源关掉了。
We need to maintain the machine while we are using it. For example, replace cooling water and xenon lamp. Generally, we replace the cooling water once a month, which needs to be pure water, so as to achieve better cooling effect. All we have to do is open the drain plug and let the water out. The next paragraph mainly shows how to replace the xenon lamp. Xenon lamp is a very important part of welding machine. He belongs to consumables. The quality of xenon lamp directly affects the quality of welding. Generally, we replace the xenon lamp once every semi-ounce or so to ensure its best welding effect. When replacing a xenon lamp, it is best to do so in a clean environment to prevent dust from entering the laser cavity and the lamp. In the process of replacing the xenon lamp, we must be careful to avoid breakage. The xenon lamps were then fitted in the correct order. Of course, in addition to the replacement of the xenon lamp, but also the replacement of the protection lens. That is very simple. I will not show. Anything we know about lasers, we can discuss together.
接上了吗？哦，刚刚是，把这个拔掉了。
它封箱该用来踢箱啊，不用它来了，我们再来就来。